In my last video, I gave you a brief introduction of the Prakriti, and today in this video, I'm going to speak about the physical and mental features of Vata Prakriti person and the problems faced by them and the solutions for the same. So let's begin the video. Before knowing the features of the Vata Prakriti person, let's know the qualities of Vata. Tatra ruksho lagu shitaha karaha sukshmosh chalo nilaha. Tatra rukshaha. Rukshaha means dry. Lagu, that is light. Shitaha, cold. Karaha, roughness. Sukshma, subtle. Chalaha means the movement. So these are all the qualities of the Vata gunas. So now let's know the physical features of the Vata Prakriti person. Usually the Vata Prakriti person is thin built, skin, hair, nails are dry, perform activities very quickly. He is a talkative person. He has irregular sleep patterns and has a tendency to worry, and he has a tendency towards constipation as well. And he cannot tolerate cold, excited and changeable mood, means his mind is always chantala. Joints and veins stand out prominently. So these were the physical and the mental features of Vata Prakriti person. So now let's know the problems faced by this type of person and what are the solutions for the same. First problem faced by this Vata type of person is the Ruksha. Because of the Ruksha guna of Vata, the skin, the nails and the hair becomes very dry. So the main problem of Vata type person is the dryness. So the best solution for this is the application of the oil, mainly the sesame oil or the gingerly oil application to their body regularly will solve the problem. The next is the Lagu. Because of the Lagu guna of Vata, the Vata type person are very weak or very thin built. So the bones are weak and they are not physically so strong. And they worry a lot and they are overexcited. So the main thing for this is you have to take the heavy foods or the food which takes a longer time for digestion. So they can consume sweets or they can take the foods which are made up of odor like idli, dosa, etc. Sweets made of jaggery is very good for Vata type person. So the next one is the Shita. Because of the Shita guna, the Vata type of person cannot tolerate cold. So usually the persons who stay in colder places, they are recommended to wear warm clothes. And the food which they use should be hot. It should be hot, and they have to take hot foods like soups or whatever they consume. It should be hot, and they have to take a warm water bath daily, which is prepared using the garam masala and other stuffs where the ghee and oil should also be added, can be taken, which is very good for the Vata type of person, which is not good for Pitta and Kapha type. So Vata type of person can use the stuffs which are made up from garam masala. Early morning sunrise is very good for the Vata type of person, so he should have a sun bath early in the morning, that is before 8 a.m. So the next, the things to be avoided by this Vata type of person is, first thing is sitting directly under the fan, and while traveling he should close his ears so that all the air should not enter into his ear. So it will cause a lot of problem for the Vata type of person. Ayurvedic dravyas like the Ashwagandha, Shatavari, Balarishta, Drakshasava, Dashamularishta, it's very good for Vata type of person. In Panchakarma, Basti Karma in rainy season is recommended for the Vata type of a person. Consult your Ayurvedic practitioner for this. He's overexcited, he's very talkative, his mind is not calm, he always stays in anxiety. So it's better if he practices pranayama, meditation and shavasana regularly so that his mind remains calm. Madhura rasa, lavana rasa and katu rasa is recommended. Madhura is a sweet taste, lavana is a salty taste and katu is a pungent taste. So the foodstuffs which contain all these rasa is best. The next is the usage of oil in all the foodstuffs is good for the Vata Prakriti person. Vegetables which are suitable for the Vata type of person is radish, cucumber, lady's finger, onion, sweet potato, beetroot. And which are not suitable is like potato, green chili, tomato. So green chili, tomato and potato, if you are using, just use boil it and then you can use it. You can use the garlic which is sauteed in oil. Banana, dates, mango, anjur, grapes, these can be taken. And the fruits which shouldn't be taken by the Vata type of person is watermelon, apple and pomegranate. In grains, masoor and chana dal can be taken, meaning all should be avoided as far as possible. Gingerly oil is best for him, and ginger, tulsi, cardamom, cinnamon, these all sambar or the spices can be used. What the type of person should remember is he should have a regular body massage, oil massage on his body. Then he should consume oil in his food. And the another thing is the foodstuffs containing madura, that is the sweet, lavana, that is salt, and katu, that is pungent taste foods he should consume. So these are all the things which will keep his vata in balance. So this is all about Vata Prakriti person, and in my next video I'm going to speak about the Pitta Prakriti person, his problems and the solutions for the same. So thank you for watching.